Hello, hello. We are doing week 3, Wednesday, language arts, inferencing. This should go pretty quick because this page only has 10 questions. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, number 1, remember what we're going to do is we're going to read a few sentences, try and figure out what's going on so that we can answer our questions. So we're putting on our detective hat. So number 1. Kevin looked at the kittens and smiled. Last night, the mother cat had 6 cute kittens. And the question asks us, how old are the kittens? Okay, it doesn't give us a number in our paragraph, but it does say last night. Okay, last night, that means yesterday. So would that mean a week ago? I mean, not a week ago. Well, I guess you could say that. How old are the kittens? Would they be a week if they were born last night? A year? 1 month? Or 1 day? Think if something happened to you yesterday. How long ago would that have happened? If you answered 1 day, you are correct. Very short time ago. Number 2, Kyle picked up his friend's puppy and held it in his lap. He petted the little furry bundle and scratched between its ears. Then Kyle sneezed 3 times in a row. Hang on just a second.
Negative. 300 boxes for me.
There we go, sorry. All right, so Kyle is holding a puppy. He sneezed 3 times in a row. He rubbed his nose and sneezed a few more times. So, do we think that Kyle may be allergic to dogs? True or false? Well, he picks up a puppy and puts it in his lap. So it's very close to him. He's touching it. He's scratching it. And then he starts sneezing. Then his nose starts itching because he has to rub it, and he sneezes some more. To me, all signs point to yes. He is probably allergic. Number 3, Chris got to his class late. He saw drums placed next to each student's desk. The children began to beat the drums. So, which class is Chris late for? Math, science, music, or art? Well, I know you guys sometimes like to play drums with your pencil in every class, but we're talking about real drums. So which class do you think real drums would be in? Music. Number 4, Evan entered another room with paintings on the walls. Each painting had a sign next to it. Several people were standing in front of one very big painting, looking up at it. Other people were looking at the paintings and reading the signs. Where is Evan? A, the library, B, the grocery store, C, an art gallery, or D, a bookstore? All right, so they're looking at paintings. We have to decide what category would a painting fall into. Libraries have books. A painting is not a book, so it's probably not A. A grocery store, that has to do with food. Paintings aren't food. All right, so now we're down to art gallery and bookstore. Okay, well, we already said paintings aren't books, so probably not going to find one in a bookstore. Paintings are definitely a form of art, and they are in an art gallery. Number 5, Ben is in a place where people of all ages are reading books. When Ben shows a special piece of paper, he can sign out books here for free. Where is Ben? Okay, is he at a firehouse, a library, a bookstore, or a zoo? Well, let's talk firehouse. People might be reading at a firehouse, but there's not going to be people there of all ages, okay? So, probably not going to go with A. B, the library. The library can draw a wide variety of people in, little kids, adults, older adults. Let's check C, the bookstore. I guess people of all ages can go to a bookstore, but the kicker here is Ben can check out a book for free. Bookstores, you are usually purchasing a book, so you have to pay for it. And then the zoo. Not our best choice, so I'm going to say the library. Just like at our school library, you can go check out a book with your ID number for free. Number 6, it is Friday, and Megan can't wait for tomorrow. She is going to the fair with her cousins. They will spend the whole day looking at animals, riding the rides, and playing games. What day is Megan going to the fair? All right, so we're saying that today is Friday, and Megan, she is going to the fair tomorrow. So basically, we're asking what day comes after Friday. If you said Saturday, you are correct. Number 7, Zach is excited. Today is Thursday, and he will be visiting his grandparents tomorrow. When will Zach be visiting his grandparents? Okay, so if today is Thursday, what is after Thursday, the day after? Probably our favorite day of the week. If you answered Friday, you are correct. Number 8, Tasia is upset. Her mother just told her that her trip to the amusement park is canceled because there are thunderstorms. Tasia had been looking forward to this trip for weeks. Tasia probably doesn't like amusement parks. Do we think that statement is true or false? So it says Tasia is upset because her trip is canceled and she had been looking forward to it for a long time. To me, that means she likes amusement parks. She was ready to go, super excited, really looking forward to it. So this is false because this is saying she doesn't like amusement parks. All right, number 9. The only pet Alex has is his pet snake named Spike. When Alex brought Spike over to his neighbor's house, his neighbor screamed. How many pets does Alex have? Does he have 3, 2, 10, or 1? So here's our key word right here. The only pet Alex has is his pet snake, Spike. So if you chose 1, you are correct. Number 10, Dina got another goldfish for her birthday. She talked to it as she put it in the tank with her 3 other fish. She gave her cat a piece of her birthday cake. She put special treats in her guinea pig's cage. So we have to decide this statement. Dina does not like pets. Is that true or false based on what we just read? Well, she already has fish and then she got 1 more. She has a cat and a guinea pig. That sounds like someone that does like pets. So we're going to say that this is false. If she didn't like pets, she probably wouldn't have any. Okay, great job.